Very quickly, today I want to talk about YouTube tutorial confusion. You people are confusing us. YouTube tutorials, you people are confusing everybody. Tomorrow you say this, next tomorrow another person will say another different thing. You people are confusing us. Yes, you people are confusing us. Look at the things you said, many of you said we should not do. And some people are doing it, it's working for them. But some of you said we should not do it. Number one, they will say, don't share your video after uploading. After upload, you should not share your video. And the same YouTube, if you use your YouTube studio, after uploading, YouTube will show you other platform for you to share. They will suggest for you to share that your video. Then why do people say we should not share the video? Why? That we should allow YouTube to do its work. Why? You people should answer me. Answer. Why? The second one, they will say don't do sub for sub. That is, you should not follow your fellow YouTubers because they will not watch your video. Then my question, almost 70 to 80% of people on YouTube today are potential YouTubers. So if they did not subscribe for you, who will subscribe? Who will subscribe? So you push to answer me, who will subscribe? Another one, number 3, they will tell you don't share your link to groups, to platform, to other ones. The share button they created, who do they created it for? Why did YouTube create share button if they say they should not share? If people say we should not share YouTube tutorials, you people should answer me. You should answer me. Why do they create a share button? Why do they create link for you to share to other people? Why do YouTube create it if people said we should not do it? Yes, another things you should answer. Another question you people should answer. The fourth one, they will tell you don't rush and use another channel to watch. Yes. Then if somebody immediately upload within seconds, another person use his own channel to follow you and watch that video, another one follow. So those ones don't count, Abi? Those ones don't count. If many of you don't know what to come here and come and lecture, stop. Number 5, another one, they will tell you don't post short because short key channel. Why do they create short? YouTube, who made short? Why do they create it? Why? The platform that created short, why do they create short? It's for people who will do short video and post. So if short video is okay for you, post it there. YouTube will still pay you for short video if you can still meet up their criteria. If you can still meet up their criteria, they will still pay you. Then you people say no, don't do short. If you want to do long video, this and that, he say no. Some of you are not saying the truth. Let me tell you, some of you are not saying the truth. So new YouTubers, if anything you want to do, any features here they created for people to use it. Don't listen to somebody. If you can read and write, follow the process, follow the guideline, follow the community, follow the process. It will work for you. Forget these people. They are here for views and they are getting the view. Yes, they are here for view and they are getting it. So forget them. Follow the process and do the right thing. Subscribers will come if you do the right thing. View will come if you do the right thing. So forget about them. Thank you.